CLEU stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at China Liberal Education Holdings, I see the price at 11% down, 12 cents is where we're at. And this is a penny stock, which we had like a reverse play way before, like just before the year started. And then we absolutely just, yeah, this crashed hard. Had like an invoice from NASDAQ, right? So it needs to respond because the, like up until like 17th of February, I think, or 14th, don't quite remember, but they need to respond. If not, they're getting freaking delisted. And my 2 cents on this, like I said, like even when it was up here, the likelihood of this delivering towards these beneath the lows is feral. And yeah, it is below 13 cents. It's 12.15 right now. So you get the point. This is by no means obviously financial advice. I mean, I don't think that this is like of any value, but like if my 2 cents on this is going to be just completely stay away and not touch it. My 2 cents. Now, obviously not financial advice. This is what I'm going to be doing. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, yielding way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.